So Arsenal 5, Everton 1, no pressure FC. You get a result. Before I get into my fan cam, big up to everybody who's watched these fan cams all season, whether you like me, hate me, or indifferent. You have helped boost the channel all season. So big up to every single one of you. I do appreciate it. I'm going to play a quick video from Werripy. Do go and check this video out. It's the last day to get 1 month free trial. The link is in the description. So if you suffer from depression and mental health, check it out and then use the discount code for $4 a month off. After that, I'll get into the fan cam.
Werripy. Therapy wherever, when.
Inner conflict and distress, and reflect on them. You will also learn about how different versions of yourself compete with each other to make you feel depressed. This course uses simple models to illustrate different psychological processes. At the end of each lesson, you will be able to draw a model of yourself and see how your depression and inner conflict has been created. We encourage you to take each lesson at your own pace. There is a lot to learn. Short videos and diagrams are provided to make the information easier to digest. Homework will be assigned at the end of every lesson. Also, please make the most of the week between the lessons by applying what you've learned and by doing the homework consistently throughout the week. Before you start this course, have some nice paper, some different color pens, and some tracing paper handy. So, without further ado, let's get started. Click on the tab below to proceed to the first week of the course, the objective and method theory.
So Arsenal put in a performance today when the pressure was off. No pressure FC. Everyone was changing their profile pictures to Norwich City badges. Oh, we're all Norwich today. Oh, let's celebrate because they're the youngest team in the league and we finished 5th if Tottenham win or get a draw. Well, that went really well, really well, because we did actually finish 5th, didn't we? So well done, Top Gooners. Top Gooners are out there celebrating. They're all waving their shirts around their head in the Emirates, singing that stupid song. They've had to change it to Europa League rather than Champions League. How dumb do they look now? I don't think it's dumb as well that they sung that song Super Mick Arteta, but then picked 2 players from the Emery era, Emery signings, to use to boost Mick Arteta. But anyway, less of that. I don't really care about the game. Some good goals today from all the teams. Odegaard's goal was good. We'll come to that later in the player ratings. But I want to talk about how it's not taken Antonio Conte 4 years, how he doesn't need 4 transfer windows, how he hasn't needed £250 million, how he's only signed 2 players, which are both on loan until the end of June, I think, and then they're officially signed. So how comes Antonio Conte inherits a team that Arsenal fans have spent all season saying is worse than ours, but he's finished above ours? Can somebody explain that to me in the comment section? Is it maybe because he's actually a really good manager? Let's have a look at the top 4. Pep wins the league, best manager in it. Klopp, second by 1 point, brilliant manager. You could put either one of them the other way around. My preference is Pep. Some of you will say Klopp's better because he spent less money. Cool, I get it. But either way, they're quality. Thomas Tuchel, third. Lost 6 games all season. Antonio Conte, 4th. Lost less games. And they were getting piped all around London under Nuno, by Palace, by Arsenal, by Chelsea, by West Ham. They were getting smashed by everyone. Free. They might as well have been sponsored by Free. It was mad. And all of a sudden he comes in. Everyone's going, oh, he won't do anything. He won't do anything. He won't do anything. And now all you're getting is, oh, well, nobody expected us to get top 4 when we lost the first 3 games of the season. You do realise there was 35 games left after that, didn't you? And you do realise with 3 games to go, so after 35 games, we were 4 points ahead of Tottenham. So at that point, did you expect to get top 4? Oh, but no pundits expected it. But you don't listen to the pundits because you keep telling everyone that these pundits have got it in for Arsenal. So why would you listen to them? Why would you listen to them? All running off into the club shop like lemmings. Oh, 70 quid for the shirt. Yep. Oh, yep, there you go. I'll buy one for my kid as well. I'll buy one for the missus. Buy one for the other. Oh, there's 280. Plus your ticket. Plus your food in the ground. Unbelievable, mate. Unbelievable. That club, it was no wonder Edu and his son were sitting there laughing their nuts off today. because they're seeing so many of them new shirts being worn. It is embarrassing. It is actually embarrassing. Our fans need a long, hard look at themselves. They genuinely do. They genuinely do. It is a shambles. We have lost 13 games this season. Oh, by the way, that's now 10 straight Premier League games we have conceded a goal. But this guy has fixed the defence. He's fixed it that much so that we conceded 3 goals less under this manager this season than we did under Unai Emery in his only full season, who, by the way, had Petr Cech nearly scoring own goals, then Leno coming in, Lichtsteiner switching at right back with Becky B. He had Monreal and Kolasinac switching at left back. He then had Socrates and Mustafi, Rob Holding, Koscielny. It's mad. And 250 million quid spent. How much more time is this guy going to get? How many more fans are going to sit out there and just keep letting the standards drop in the gutter? It's an actual disgrace. These fans are a disgrace. Absolute disgrace. All season, they've been piping up about this manager. All season, they've hyped up every single one of our players to be a great player in every position. Well, how comes we ain't fourth then? How comes we ain't top? How comes we ain't second or third? How comes Tottenham. Chicken Royale at right back. Davies at centre back with Eric Dyer and Davison Sanchez. Would any Arsenal fan take them players? They wouldn't, would they? Sessegnon at left back, left wing back. Højbjerg in midfield. Wow, Harry Winks coming in. Like, would anyone take these players? Oh, but they got Kane and Son. Well, didn't Kane and Son play for him when Nuno got sacked then? Because I'm pretty sure when Conte went in there, they were on about a -11 goal difference or something. And they were behind us. And then we were 6 points clear with a game in hand. And we have finished behind them. What's the common denominator here? Oh, yeah, the manager. It's embarrassing how anyone thinks that this manager is going to take Arsenal anywhere near. Forget that lot. Yeah, forget that lot. Anywhere near them top teams, them top 2. If anyone thinks this manager can do it, you're deluded or you're lying. Yeah, because I don't believe you. Yeah, I don't believe in him. I don't believe in what Edu's doing. I don't believe in anything that they're doing at this football club. All they're doing is lowering the standards. That's it. And fans are buying the PR. They're buying the crap. They're buying the rubbish. Yeah, they're lapping it all up. They're sucking it all up. Yeah, and that is them sitting there going, job done, mate. Antonio Conte, yeah? Oh, he's washed. That's all I heard. He's washed. Really? Oh, very quickly as well. Ivan Gazidis and AC Milan with Olivier Giroud, who scored twice today, by the way, just won the league. How comes everyone that leaves wins? How's that possible? Even Ivan Gazidis and Giroud have gone on to win. And Giroud's done it at Chelsea as well. Let's not forget that. Actually embarrassing. Becky B won the cup. Spanish Copa del Rey. Mad. Actually mad. Reece Nelson and Maitland-Niles were in the Conference League final. Saliba and Douzi are in the French national team. They're in the Champions League next season. Young Player of the Year in France, Saliba. But apparently not good enough for Arsenal, these players. Unbelievable. Mavropanos doing bits in Germany. Torreira doing bits in Italy. Pablo Mari doing bits in Italy. It's actually a madness. Aubameyang paid to score goals for Barcelona by Arsenal. Shambles. If anyone's backing this, you are the issue. Yeah, I don't care what I say. I don't care what you lot think. At the end of the day, this club will only serve up what the majority of people take. Yeah, and too many people accept this crap. Oh, but it weren't built in. Rome weren't built in a day. Well, how comes Conte's just gotten top 4 straight away then? Because all you lot have told me all season is they're worse than us. So how are they above us? How? Wait till Ten Hag comes in, by the way, because now that's another manager better than this manager. Unbelievable, isn't it? Anyway, leave all your comments down below. Absolute dross. It didn't take him 4 transfer windows and 400 trillion quid to actually get Tottenham winning, did it? But there we go. Oh, but he's got Kane and Son. Shut up, man. Seriously. Absolute disgrace. Absolute disgrace. Oh, but he saved money on the wage bill. Yes, we're the champions of the money saved. Is he an accountant or a football manager? Neither, to be honest. He's crap. But anyway, all have a wonderful evening. I'll be back tomorrow with some transfer updates. There'll be uploads. I'm not streaming again until August, so that'll please all the top gooners. You can still donate to my channel, though, by the way. Leave it in the super thanks. It's called thanks. Just leave it down there, so I can still profit off of transfer news all summer. Kenny's fan cam and Jez's fan cam will be out shortly. and player ratings will be out later tonight. We're out of here. Arteta out. Arteta out. And you see all you super fans, yeah, self-proclaimed super fans and top gooners, you can all fuck off as well. Scumbag.